Down a Salt Hill prom with a Galway girl. Into you, Emmett. Dee 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 doo dee 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 da dee da da da. Whoa. Oh yeah. Okay, get more vocal. Really? A little bit more. I don't know the words of this freaking song. Whoa. A little bit more, please, just in the monitor. Colin doesn't mind.
That's plenty.
He loves my voice.
That's plenty of Emmett.
He loves my voice in the morning.
Vocals are great all round. Or
Thanks.
up for Peter.
Thanks a million.
Keep going.
Let's. You alright?
Yeah.
Peter's good on vocals.
Okay.
Let's try the guitar notes. Shooby doo shoo, shooby dooby dooby doo 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 day. You swear no one has had the 4 years of singing it.
Here we go. I'm okay with that.
Could I get a bit of guitar?
Tiny bit less. More guitar. More guitar, please. Why is it when you sing with just vowels, you sound like you're singing in a Scottish accent? More guitar, please. That's the note. Same key. If we can just get that in every song, just change the pitch.
Didgeridoo. Could I get a bit of you good guitar?
Find a bit more guitar, please. Yep, I'm good by me.
So can I try my guitar, please? Can I try my guitar, please? A bit more. I can't hear it all in the monitors. Oh, can we get piano down a bit?
Will we do keys while we're waiting?
Oh.
Well, we can take that down.
Do the
please.
keys down?
Keys way down, please.
It will get better, people. Don't worry. It can only get better.
Can I have